Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent accidental shorts. Next, remove the shift knob and gator. You may need to unscrew or unclip depending on trim, then pry up the handbrake cover and surrounding trim with a plastic tool to avoid scratches. Once done, pop out visible trim clips and small screws at the base of the console. Make sure to keep fasteners organized in labeled bags so reassembly is straightforward. This saves time and prevents guessing later. You now focus on the middle section. Unplug every electrical connector, ashtray light, 12V socket, AUX or media ports by depressing the locking tab and pulling straight out. Then remove screws under the cup holder, inside the ashtray, and at the rear near the carpet. Some are accessed by removing floor mats. Once the fasteners are out, lift the console sides evenly and feel for hidden clips. Release them progressively rather than forcing one point, because even pressure prevents plastic tabs from snapping. You finish by lifting the console rear first to clear seat anchoring points, guiding any wiring through the opening so it doesn't catch. Once forward clearance is achieved, remove the console completely and set it on a soft surface. If clips or screws are damaged, replace them now. Broken plastic is the usual failure and replacement prevents rattles. If things go wrong, reconnect the battery only after verifying connector seating and test functions. This confirms wiring integrity before reassembly and avoids repeated removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.